2005 Neon SRT4 here. So I got this aftermarket grill for the Ram. It's from AM Off-Road Marketing. So right now I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. Or have already opened it. And let's see. The grill. Instructions. So it's supposed to be bolt on. And I believe it comes with LED lights. Let's see here. Very nice. It's black. Stock one I have is chrome. Curious to see what these will be at night. Okay. So step one, open hood, remove 12 bolts, 6 on each side. Do an 8mm socket and ratchet to remove old grill. Step two, remove all the metals from the plastic and metal nuts that are on the back of the pair to save the nuts for the new grill. Clean the surface and put a coat of wax. And then it says applying the 6 screws at the top of the new grill and the bottom metal clips installed on the new grill. Not separately equipped with screws on the body of the vehicle. And it says, dear oil driving, blah, blah, blah. So I can I'll probably attach it to the parking lights. Then, step on reverse order to install. So this is the current grill. Okay, so you have this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 up there. Okay, I lied. So I had to remove the clips from the bumper, so that it would fit on the new one. Okay, so these run the stock grill, and I have to remove the aftermarket ones too. Okay, so they have all been switched out. Now we should be able to put this in, no problem. Okay, here it is. I still have yet to hook up the running lights, but here it goes. Pretty bright at night. See,